Do I even need to say anything? Do I even need to start this intro? Do I even need to say intro? Yeah, I do. What's going on, YouTube? Joseph and come back at y'all with another lit video. Man, if y'all enjoyed that last video, make sure to like and subscribe. I just want to throw out there, every video is not going to be a thrifting video. It just so happened that lately I've been going to the thrift store a lot. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, I might as well record. I was about to go up in this store and not record at all. Just, just walk around to see what they got. But then I'm like, why would I do that? Everything is content. Like, why would I do anything without recording for real? I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I don't need anything. This is really probably just for content. Or if there's something in there that I might need, then of course I'm gonna grab it. But we'll see when we get in there. Yeah, I low-key fuck with this lighting, but as always, man, let's get going. All right, man, let's go. Oh, I ain't even take out the thing. I ain't even do none of that. I ain't finna lie, I ain't do shit. We finna see what they got. You got film, got the beam, calm shit. You know what I'm saying? See what we can find. Niggas on some different shit. Oh my gosh. Excuse me, this is the men's, right?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, let's see. See what we can find up in here, man. Hold up. Hold up. New Balances? They're going like 70 bones for these, watch. $25. Keep the OG Airs though with the dollar signs. Air Money, it's the OG joints right there. Sheesh. See what we can grab. Cap. I should have grabbed the cart, but screw, we ain't fucking with the cart right now. Honestly, I'm gonna just walk up out of here with the first steal. It's the first thing I seen too. Just appreciate it. See, like his shoes is $4. Why can't these be $4? Crazy. Right now, we're gonna go sell the shoes that we just picked up. This clip right now is kind of all over the place, but just bear with me, gang. All right, it's just a little context. So you feel me? Somebody hit me up. People like, yo, $30. I'm in Coral Springs, blase. I'm like, yo, I could drop it off to you, but 30's crazy. You feel me? At least give me 50 bones. You feel me? He was like, all right, bet, that's a deal. $50. Where you want to meet? He trying to do halfway. So I'm like, sounds good. Just shoot me a text. You feel me? And yeah. All right, bet. So y'all can't see me, or yeah, y'all can't see me right now, but y'all can hear me. But where that water at? I thought, let me just go to a different parking lot, just in case buddy pulls up. But real quick, I know y'all seen in the last clip I had grabbed these New Balances for the low. Hold on. All right, bet. So y'all seen in the last clip I had grabbed these New Balances, and it's been like probably two days, and I already got a sale. So I'm finna I'm not finna lie. Damn. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to clean them real quick, you feel me? Because I did wear them like twice, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna just do like a quick ass clean, you feel me? Just some quick shit. I bought them for $20. I'm selling them for $50. So there's money to be made. I know you're probably thinking like, why the fuck would I wait so long to clean the shoe? Well, to be honest with y'all, I have no idea. kind of on the fly type of ordeal. Ah, shit. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. That's all we really gonna do. We ain't finna sit here trying to make this bitch brand new, because it's not brand new. It's a used sneaker. It just so happened I'm making my money on this used sneaker. Alright, y'all, so we pulling up to the location right now. I'm not gonna lie, what I'm doing is very illegal. But think about it, why would they do that? I don't even know what car this nigga's in. Hold on, let me see what car he's in. Yo, so while editing this video, I realized I'm cursing a storm in this video. Like, I'm going crazy. I'm dropping the F-bomb, the N-bombs. Like, I'm just wilding. And I'm not gonna lie to you, it's late night. I'm dumb tired and I don't feel like editing all of the bleeps. So just bear with me, you feel me? But
Joseph, nice to meet you. I do YouTube, bro, so I ain't gonna get your face or nothing else. It's 50, right? Yeah. Appreciate that, brother, man. Yeah, appreciate you driving out here. Yeah, for sure, bro. No problem, bro. What do you mean? You too, bro. Look at the even. Look at the shoes. I ain't gonna lie.
That's actually 220s, 250s.
That's straight. Whatever it is, huh? Appreciate that, brother, man.
No problem.
Safety. Appreciate that, Will. All right, bro. What's up? Just like that, you feel me? Out of there. No cap.
Anything that you ever want, it's yours. Access granted, for granted. Don't you take my love. Don't you take my love. Go, I'll keep and we go all the way together.
I put a lot of stuff in the Bible, man. No cap, you need that. The Bible's essential. Like, it's not even so much about. I'm not even gonna go on that topic. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna go on that topic, bro. And that biblical and that Christianity and all that. Y'all fucking with the Bible? You fucking with that though? It's just a little rant. I just had to get off my chest. Honestly, I got a lot more I gotta say, but I gotta get back to the day and to what I got going on. I ain't gonna hold y'all. My fault for not really posting. I wanna get more consistent with this YouTube shit, man. I really wanna break barriers and I wanna be the best of my class, bro. Like, I ain't gonna hold you, like, and that's, that comes with experience and with due time. But it's like, and I know, like, I'm capable of it. You feel me? I wanna be the best. Like, I'm already the best in my head, but now I gotta now I'm at a point where I already know I'm the best, but now I gotta convince everybody else that I'm the best. You feel me? And it's like, that's the hardest part, because you ever looked up the 20 emotions humans feel? Look at that fucking. Y'all ever look up the 20 emotions humans feel? Because I'm about to end this video, by the way. But one day I was looking up human emotions, because I was curious on, like, all the emotions humans feel. And did y'all know that envy is a part of a human emotion? Animosity is too, I'm pretty sure, if I'm remembering correctly. It's animosity, envy. And I ain't gonna lie, there was a few others that I read, and I'm like, damn, those are actual traits. Like, god dang. Caveman Joseph, man. Caveman Joseph. But that's gonna do it for the end of the video. I don't have my mic on me, as you can tell. Oh my gosh. Even when you don't want to do it, that's what consistency is. Discipline. But yeah, as y'all can tell, I'm inside the crib. As y'all can tell, I don't have my mic on me right now. It's in the car. And quite frank, I'm not gonna go get it. I was editing the video and I realized I don't have an outro. But anyways, if you was fucking with that last clip, I did make a new channel. So I guess right now would be the time, not so much to talk about that new channel, but more so just to plug the channel. So if you guys want to watch the full video to that last clip, the link is, or sweat my neck, not link, but the channel's right here, you feel me? I'm gonna also have the link down below so you guys can go look at the video,
check it out, watch the video. That channel, a quick little brief description. It's gonna be, the name says it all for real, you know what I'm saying? The name says it all. So I don't think I need to say too much about what the channel's gonna be about. But as always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Oh yeah, make sure to comment your favorite part below. I feel like I'm missing something. I feel like I'm missing something. I feel like I'm missing something. I don't know what I'm missing though. I'm trying to think. I know I wanted to talk about earlier with the shoes. Oh yeah, I ended up grabbing. I don't want to talk about that shit right now. Yeah, I kind of seen how it all went down. I don't know, but until next time, this is Joseph Venture. Y'all take care of yourself.
Fast life cause I'm a young nigga. I just pray on crash cause I'm doing